Hello, fellow adventurers! Are you ready to embark on your next journey in style and with convenience? Today, we're taking travel to a whole new level with the latest and greatest smart travel accessories. From ingenious gadgets to clever solutions, these travel companions will make your trips more enjoyable and stress-free. So pack your bags and get ready as we explore the top smart travel accessories you won't want to leave home without. The Spytec GPS GL300 is a compact and versatile GPS tracker designed for vehicles, cars, trucks, equipment, and assets. It allows real-time tracking with unlimited coverage in both the US and worldwide. The tracker is suitable for personal and business use, enabling you to keep track of your loved ones or manage fleets efficiently. The tracking app is powered by HAP, ensuring accurate and reliable location data. The Moama Anis is a portable instant translator that offers real-time translation in 36 different languages. It is perfect for travel, business communication, and language learning. The device functions as a pocket dictionary, providing quick and accurate translations to help you communicate effectively in various situations. The Adream passport and vaccine card holder combo is a travel accessory designed to protect and organize your important travel documents. It features RFID blocking technology, safeguarding your sensitive information from unauthorized scans. The holder can hold your passport and CDC vaccination card securely, making it an ideal organizer for travel. The Netgear Wax 620 is a high-speed Wi-Fi 6 dual-band access point with AX 3600 speed. It can support up to 256 client devices and offers 802.11 AX technology for improved performance. The access point comes with Insight remote management, allowing easy monitoring and configuration of the network. It can be powered by PO+ or an AC adapter. The Fuelex Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband is a comfortable and ultra-thin headband equipped with built-in speakers. It is perfect for workouts, running, yoga, and especially for those who want to enjoy music or audio content while sleeping. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair it with your devices wirelessly, providing a seamless listening experience. The Canare handheld travel garment steamer is a portable and dual-voltage steamer suitable for worldwide use. It provides extreme steam at 1,200 W, making it effective in removing wrinkles from clothes, whether at home, office, or during travel. The compact design and dual-voltage feature make it a convenient travel companion. The Rowenta Steam Force Pro Steam Iron is a powerful iron designed to deliver professional results. With 1850 watts of power and 400 microsteam holes on the stainless steel sole plate, it ensures efficient and smooth ironing for various fabrics, including cotton, wool, poly, silk, linen, and nylon. The Keurig K Mini is a single-serve coffee maker in a compact design, making it ideal for travel or small kitchen spaces. It allows you to brew your favorite coffee using K-Cup pods, providing a quick and convenient coffee-making experience. The UVI Licor Bag is a portable UVC cleaner and sterilizer box that uses UVC LED disinfection technology. It can be used at home, in the car, or during travel to kill germs, bacteria, and viruses on items like phones, keys, and baby items. It offers effective sanitization without using harmful chemicals. And there you have it, the top smart travel accessories that will elevate your travel experience to new heights. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more exciting content on travel gear and adventure tips. Bon voyage, and we'll see you in the next video.